Aircon running warm? It could be a simple case of low refrigerant pressure. That's something you can fix yourself with just 10 minutes of your time and an AC Pro recharge kit. This kit really is as simple as it looks, and it works with any system using R1234YF refrigerant. Just check the label under the bonnet to determine which gas you have. After equipping your safety glasses and gloves, locate the low-pressure service port on the larger of the two AC lines, between the compressor and the evaporator. The Quick Connect coupler will connect only to this port. With the engine running, air conditioner on its coldest setting, and the system set to recirculate, go ahead and connect the gauge. It should read low when the compressor is engaged. If this is not the case, you'll need to consult a qualified technician. Now disconnect the hose, shake the recharge can well, and connect this to the gauge. Reattach the Quick Connect coupler to the AC service port. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger to begin recharging your system. Hold the trigger for 10 to 15 seconds while shaking the can up and down between the 12 and 3 o'clock positions. Then just release the trigger to check the pressure. Repeat this process until the gauge reads in the green zone. Never overcharge the system. This will lead to your aircon running warmer than before, or not at all. Don't put off a 10-minute job and suffer again this summer. Grab your AC Pro recharge kit, exclusive to Supercheap Auto.